everyone, welcome back to Measure and Mix. Thanks for stopping by today. I'm going to be doing some Dollar Tree fall DIYs for you guys. I know it's not fall time, but school is starting again soon, and I've seen Dollar Tree put out a lot of fall items, and then also a few YouTubers have done some fall DIYs, and it's just got me inspired to start thinking about fall. So that is what I'm going to do for you guys today. If you are new to my channel and like DIYs and home decor, hit that subscribe button and don't forget the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything new. Now let's get started on the DIYs. For the first DIY, I'm going to be using 5 of these thankful signs from Dollar Tree, the ones with the black and white buffalo check on the sides of them. Now I'm just going to take them and line them up. I just made sure that they faced the same direction. I guess it really doesn't matter unless you are using the hook on the inside of the signs to hang these. Then after I got them all lined up, I just used some hot glue to adhere each one of them to each other, and then I just reinforced it on the back with some more hot glue in between the seams. Now you could use E6000 to give this a stronger hold, or you could even use a popsicle sticks on the back of the seams to make sure that it has a really strong hold, but I found the hot glue worked out just fine for me. Next, I'm just going to take some white paint and paint the front of each of these signs. And I'm gonna leave the buffalo check pattern alone. You could tape that part off if you wanted to, if you were afraid you were gonna get some paint on it, but I was just really careful and painted 4 coats of white paint on top of these signs to cover up all the lettering and pictures. Now I'm just going to take some of these wall decals from Dollar Tree. I actually picked these up last year around fall time, but keep your eye out. They'll probably be putting them out again this year, or you can use whatever wall decals you would like from Dollar Tree. They have a ton of different ones. But then I'm also going to use some of this buffalo check ribbon I got on clearance last year from, I believe, Target. And then I also got that cotton garland on clearance last year at Michael's. So I'm going to be using those, but I just cut out the decals and placed them on the board just to show you what it would look like, because I really wasn't sure what I was going to do at this point. But I think it looked good with just the decals, but I decided I wanted to use the other things as well. So I just took the blessed sticker and I put that in the middle of the sign, and then I placed the wreath around the blessed word, and then I took the buffalo check ribbon and I just cut a piece of it off and hot glued it to the top and the back of the sign. And that was it. I love how this faux shiplap sign turned out for fall. It's perfect. For the second DIY, I'm going to be using 3 of these glass candlestick holders from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to take 2 of them and place some hot glue on the top of one of them, and then flip the other one upside down on top of it to make it a taller candlestick. And then I'm going to take some more hot glue and place that on top of the taller candlestick and the smaller one. And then I'm going to hot glue both of these plates from Dollar Tree on top of them. I would definitely use E6000 in place of hot glue, but I was short on time, so that's why I was using hot glue. Now all I'm going to do is take the rest of the decals that I used in the last project, the thankful, and I'm going to place that on top of one of the plates, and the leaves, I'm going to place that next to it above that, and then I'm going to take the grateful and do the same thing on the other plate. You can place them however you would like, and then that is it for this project. It's super simple and easy and so elegant for fall. This last DIY is super easy as well. I'm just going to be using one of these wooden box decor pieces from Dollar Tree, and since the outside of the box was already painted white, I'm just going to go ahead and give the inside of the box 4 coats of white paint to cover up all that lettering. Then I'm going to take these black letter stickers from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go ahead and spell out the word gather on one side of the box, and I used a period just at the end of the word just because I thought it made it look a little more fancy this way. And then I also started at the end of the word and worked my way to the beginning of the word, so that way I made sure that I had enough space for the words and they were spaced out correctly. Now I'm just going to use one of these glass candle holders from Dollar Tree and place it on top of that raised part inside of the box. And then I took some of that buffalo checked ribbon I used before in the other project and tied some around the glass candle holder and made a little bow and hot glued that down. Now I'm just taking another one of these cotton garlands that I got on clearance last year and placing that around the box, and I think this is a perfect little fall candle holder. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.